Why accountants need to learn Python. Do you want to automate repetitive tasks? Spend less time crunching numbers? Or find data to support financial decision making? Here's how Python programming language can help. By Adam Turner. This article has been edited for audio purposes. While accountants already take advantage of tools like Microsoft Excel, a simple programming language like Python helps to streamline workflows and improve data manipulation when deeper insight is needed. First released in the early 1990s, Python is a general-purpose programming language designed to be easy for non-technical people to learn, read, and write. Its name is a nod to British comedy legends Monty Python, but it's a serious tool used by people in a wide range of professions. Python is more flexible than Excel, and it offers greater efficiency, scalability, and auditability. The programming language also allows users to get more from Excel. The rival programming language R offers similar benefits, but Python is typically considered easier to learn. While R is better suited to creating visualizations and statistical models, Python is a better fit for accountants looking to work with large amounts of data and perform non-statistical tasks. The popularity of Python has built up a strong global programmer community. As an open-source language, a wide range of free add-ons and tools are available online. These help users to tackle different tasks, so they don't need to solve every problem from scratch. Employers are clearly seeing the benefit in accountants embracing Python. A 2016 to 2021 analysis of finance and accountancy job postings revealed that Python was the technical skill that saw the largest jump in demand. In accounting, Python's key uses include automation, data cleansing, and data analytics. The head of data science at RSM Singapore, Kim Seong, says this helps accountants save time while enhancing data-driven business insights and output accuracy. He says, in reality, data is often messy and time-consuming to process. Python's ability to read vast datasets in a range of formats from different sources and to cleanse unstructured or incomplete data frees up accountants to perform higher-value tasks. Python also allows accountants to automate tasks, especially those that are repetitive and involve clear logical steps. For example, when generating monthly reports, Python helps you to do it faster and with fewer errors. Python is a powerful data analysis tool, making it well suited for financial reporting, modeling, and forecasting. Accountants can use community-supported Python packages to perform complex data analysis, such as predicting price trends and cash flow projections, without needing to code from scratch. While Python can create dynamic charts and dashboards, Kim Seong says it may be more time-efficient to explore dedicated business intelligence tools if the sole objective is interactive data visualization. He says, if you're talking about visualization tools for accountants, enterprise-level options like Power BI or Tableau may be more suitable. Dr. Stuart Black, a Melbourne Enterprise Fellow in the Department of Accounting at the University of Melbourne, says while Python is not primarily a visualization tool, it can be a powerful aid in data storytelling. He says, along with uncovering insight, accountants must also be able to clearly convey that insight to stakeholders who might be less familiar with the data and less financially literate. Dr. Black says that rather than just bombard people with infographics and factoids, Python offers powerful ways to slice and dice data so you can frame it in a way that helps people really understand the recommendation that you're putting in front of them. He considers Python to be a fast and accessible programming language and scripting tool for accountants to learn. He views the process of learning any programming language's coding structures and logic as extremely useful for accountants who want to go beyond number crunching and improve their analytical thinking. He says, if you're looking to start somewhere, then Python is a good choice. But he also says one of the key benefits is how Python and R get you thinking about challenges in a more analytical, procedural, and repeatable way. Dr. Black says, a very senior partner with one of the big 4 firms in the transaction services area recently told me that digital and data skills are now considered a core competency. He says they won't hire anyone without them. So if you're not beginning to think this way, then it's going to start affecting your career prospects.